Hello everyone, welcome to Entity Analyzer. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to read and utilize the entity data. So here you can see that I did a search for a particular keyword and I did generated a entity gap analysis. These are the top 20 entities. But if we scroll down, here we can see a detailed table which contained more than 200 entities. These are the 223 entities which we found on these four pages. It means top three performing competitors and our page. These are the unique entities. Now here we can see that in front of each entity we are showing some stat. This means that this particular entity, that is the thermostat, is mentioned one time on this particular page, that is the competitor one. It is missing on the page number two. It is mentioned on four times on page number competitor three, and it is mentioned on our web page five times. We need to make sure that we are at least matching the competing figure, or we are ahead. For example, this particular entity, that is the efficient energy use, this used one time on the other pages, whereas it is used on three times, three times on competitor number three, whereas it is mentioned on only two times on our web page. So we need to make sure that we will cover at least three times or more than three times. Similarly, following entities are missing on our page and we need to add those entities. Here we can see this is one of the entity which is mentioned on one time on competitor one, but it is not mentioned on our web page. The second figure showing the relevance score. It means how much this particular entity is relevant to our search term as well as the page content. The third score is showing us confidence, like how much an NLP is confident about the respective keyword which we are searching for and our page content. So this way we can utilize this particular data. If we want to view entities by confidence, we can even filter them and view the entities by confidence. For example, this temperature is one of the entity. It is missing on three times on the competitor one. It is mentioned on seven times on the competitor third, but it is not mentioned on our web page. So we need to make sure that if this particular entity is related to our content, we must add them, and we need to make sure that we should match our competitor account. So this way we can utilize the entities and their count. Thank you very much.